Now, ladies and gentlemen, in Montreal, Canada, and distinguished guests, TriStar and Boomerang Promotions present the No Retreat, No Surrender Sound Clash.
Well, you know it's an all-out war. Montreal, Canada, hear this. TriStar Entertainment and Boomerang Promotion presents No Retreat, No Surrender Sound Clash on Saturday, November 28th at V Lounge, 662 90th Avenue. Clash starts at 12 a.m. sharp, so come out early.
Your contenders for this evening, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner from Montreal, James Bond.
A murder, 'cause James Bond in the area, whoa, whoa.
And fighting out of the black corner from Toronto, Canada, Royalty Sound.
Royalty a killer, don't need a reason to kill. I do they need special season to kill.
And fighting out of the red corner from Switzerland, France, and Canada, DUSS-OVA.
That's up there, comfy killer sound. Up here sound, killing tune, but boy 6 feet underground sound.
Early juggling and MC by Marga K and Greg Famous. Hosted by Gear T and Drew. Saturday, November 28th at V Lounge. Early bird tickets $20, then $25 and $30. For ticket deliveries, contact 514-248-6633. No Retreat, No Surrender Sound Clash. No guest list, no VIP for this special event. Sponsored by Crazy Cuts. It's an all-out war. War.